Well, it's going to be, as we mentioned, challenging because of lack of experience. And we were going over the offense, and we have lost some players because of the accident that really would be, basically our starting backfield. And we have an inexperienced quarterback of our interior 5 offensive linemen. We have some potential, but we only have one player who has any varsity game experience. Our tight end is going to be a sophomore. He's got great potential, Taylor Guy, but he's just a sophomore. But we think he can be a good one. If we go to 4 wideouts, we have only one returning receiver. Again, we have potential there, but we haven't reached that potential this summer. We've got to get better. Special team-wise, our Devon Lee and John Griffith were our return guys. Devon had run 2 kickoffs back for touchdowns, and John was our punt return guy, and he was excellent. So we have good special teams in the way of a kicker. Brian Meyer is Division I kicker who's got a lot of looks and visits to schools this past summer. So he's a punter and kicker. Punting may be our best weapon. I don't know that. But we might certainly take advantage of the special teams with him. Defensively, our defensive front could be tough, but all inexperienced guys there in front for the most part. Again, Devon and John were 2 of our best defensive players, and but I think we have potential to have a good defensive front led by Andrew Kaufman at linebacker. He's going to be, I think, a really terrific player. And then our secondary, John, again, was our leading guy in the secondary, and we're a little bit green back there. So we just, it was going to be one of those years where we lost a lot of seniors from last year's team, but we were going to kind of ride some of our John and Devon, but we don't have them, so we just have to make up for that. And I think the potential there is to be good, but it's going to take us some time. I think the weeks following the accident was really traumatic, and nothing you could do or say really could do much of anything, and that was a tough period of time. What we try to do as coaches, so many other organizations did things in memory, and we try to just regroup the forces and stay moving forward and focused. We didn't do a lot of stuff as far as trying to remind the boys every day of what they had to do and how they had to dedicate their season to the boys. We didn't bring it up. We did a couple things to honor them that we still do today, but we're not dwelling on it. I don't feel, right or wrong, I don't feel as a coach that we can keep reminding them of something that they don't want to really, that brings back bad memories. We need to remind them of their futures, their lives. They have to move forward, not only in the football field, but in their personal lives and in school. On paper, if you base what we did in the past, the years when we were good, we had 20 seniors and they were all pretty good players. We have 14 seniors this year, which is a little low, and we're going to be playing sophomores. Some of the sophomores that would be playing JVs will be playing varsity. The potential is there. The potential is there, but when we gel, I don't know.